Hi guys, I am Isa, and today we'll be continuing our HTML tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to make responsive table in HTML and CSS. The first thing I want to do is make a H1, so you don't have to add this, but I'm just going to add it. And then I'm going to make the table. Now we're going to have a T head, which means table head, which is going to contain TR. It will contain the headings. So we have the headings, and then we're going to make a T body, and then put another table row, which consists of the TD, which is table data. So now we finished the table. So the first thing we're going to do is add a class to this table, which is going to be called table. So the reason we're using a class is in case you have other tables in your document. Not to style all like this one. To style classes in CSS, you use dot. I'm going to do dot table. I'm going to do margin 25px and 0. Now the 25px is for the top and the bottom, and the 0 is for the right and the left. So then we're going to do font size 30px. And this 25px. So then I'm going to do the minimum width. The px, so the minimum width is the minimum that the width can be. It's going to expand if it needs to expand. And I want to do the dots table T head TR And so the reason we're writing multiple things is because we want to style something inside of something. If you have to write the things that's it's inside, and then write the thing that you want to style. So then we're going to do background color. Let's choose a color. And then color. Let's choose gray. Almost added the background color and the colorism. It also does not necessary, but I'm just gonna add font family to this body. They also have I've added a different font family. So we're going to go back here. I'm going to do text align left. The reason we're doing it is because most browsers they make them to be aligned to the center. So we're going to align them to the left. Or at least the font size. So that you'll be able to see them aligning. Now I'm going to do font weight bold to make sure they're always bold. And then we're going to do dot table th comma. So the reason we're doing comma is because we want to start 2 elements. Dot table td. I'm going to do padding 12px, 15px. So as I said, the 12px is for the top and bottom, and the 15px is for right and left. And then I'm going to do is our content. So then I'm going to do is our table tbody tr. I'm going to add a border bottom. The 1px solid to make it. I'm just going to choose this color. You know it's still there. So I can change this. So and then next one we're going to do is the dot table tbody tr and put this colon and th of type even. It's going to look for the even numbers of something in a document. We're going to do background color yellow. So now all the even numbers made yellow. So yeah, we can still change this. I'm just going to change it to this. What I'm going to do is on table tbody tr, and then this colon again, last of type. So it's going to look for the last of those in your document. I'm going to do border bottom 5px solid, and then you choose a color. So there are some optional properties we could add. And the first thing is to go back to our our table class and add a border radius. I want to do 15px 00. So the 15px is for the top left, and the second 15px is for the top right, and the 0 and 0 are for the down left and down right. Anyways, you want the border radius to show. You have to write an overflow hidden, so the things that it can't hold will be hidden. That means overflow means the things that I can't hold. So I'm going to change this. So yeah, so if we want it to be for all sides, we could just leave it at one number. So now we're going to add a shadow. So to make shadows, we do box shadow. We need to make it 0 20px and choose. You're not going to choose black. I'm going to choose a transparent color. So I could do that to make a transparent color. So now it has a shadow. So then now we're going to make it to actually be responsive. And with this we need the media tag. We need to do max width, so the maximum device width for all of these stylings to show. I'm going to write 600px. So then I'm going to do dot table t head display none. So now if we make the width less than 600 pixels, it's going to completely hide. So then we'll do dot table comma dot table t body comma dot table tr comma dot table td. So we're going to add display block. So the reason we wrote block is because we want them to be on separate lines. So if we do it again, we want to be on separate lines. There's also another type of display called display inline, which makes them to be in the same line, but kind of ruined everything. So we're just going to leave that display block. The last thing we're going to do is go back to our body that we styled before with font family. We're going to add a background. I'm gonna do white, yellow. Yeah, it's a bit too light, so we can edit it. Now have the background. So then we can also do this to see how it looks like. There. So anyways, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you've enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.